I want to formally hand over the APC structure in Akwa Ibom to the new leader of the
to work with the leadership of the party to bring people together, So please, I will ask us to tone down a lot of negative rhetorics. We have party structure. I have assured the distinguished Senate President that I'm going to work with the party structure. Our main priority is to build a very strong, united party. And just like I want to work with you, I want to believe that you too want to work with me. As a party, I've never hidden my likeness for the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And removing the fuel subsidy has brought hardship to our people, but the reverse of it is that states have received funding that should be able to help ameliorate the suffering of our people.
This is one of the greatest forward-looking states in Nigeria. And with a forward-looking governor, with a sight and a vision like you, the state will grow to leaps and bounds. We have. So when some politicians who cannot muster enough support and who cannot show the people love want to see whether they can win election, they talk about ethnicity. Oh, man is going to join another man. Another man is going to join a man. Or this one is around, this one is this. We are all one. You can't pour.
The time for harvest, which is now. Your Excellency the Governor, you have deliberately decided to bring all sons and daughters of Akwa Ibom State to be on the table to share the harvest.
Because to move from what you were used to another place, it can take some time to adapt. And so, this state, we need a total to sensitize the entire state, the entire structure, the entire strata, such that the APC can be driven to the markets, take it to the church, take it to the wards,